guys, I'm back with another tutorial on the song Havana. Today's instrument is flute. So let's get started learning how to play the scale for this song on flute. We only need to know 6 notes for this song, and they come from a scale called G natural minor. Here are the notes: G, A, B flat, C, D, and E flat. So using those 6 notes, we're going to learn this song in 6 short phrases. Here's phrase 1. 1, 2, 3. Now here's phrase 2. Phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 2. Phrase 4 starts off exactly the same as our last 2 phrases, but it's a little bit different at the end. Here's phrase 4. Now here's phrase 5. Now here's the final part, phrase 6. So now we've learned all 6 phrases that we need to play the main melody of this song. Let's go back and review those 6 phrases. Now that we've reviewed those phrases at a slow tempo, we're going to put it all together with our background track and try to play this song at our full tempo. So listen for the click and try playing along. So there we have our tutorial of the week. It's our song of the week, Havana. We tried something new this time. We're releasing a new video every day of the different instruments in the band of our song of the week. So I hope we get your instrument included. I hope you really enjoy practicing this song. It's a lot of fun, not too hard. Remember, you can download the sheet music and the play-along track at our website, gobando.com. The link is down in the description. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe and turn on your notifications. Like this video, leave me a comment. I always love to hear from you guys. As always, thanks for watching. Now go practice.